hoo, hoo, hoo. You found a surprise. Chicken neck. Yummy? That's his dinner. Chicken necks and mince. Hey, Poey. Ooh, he found another one. Whoa. That's for strong jaw. Hey, Poey. Make sure you eat the mince as well, not just the necks. Oh, he's just picking the necks. Whoa. Make sure you chew it. Don't want to choke. It's champion eater. Whoa, another one. That's the last one, Poey. Eat it all up. You're gonna be a big boy. Hey, Poey. I love watching him eat, eh? He makes me feel like a chef. He loves whatever I give him. He loves it. Hey, Poey. Whoa. I think that's pretty clean, Poey. Missed a bit there, look. Hey, how about this bit? Psst. Hey, that bit. Clean it up. Yeah, good boy. Let's have a look at the belly. Oh, belly, belly. Belly.